It's your boy BG, and I'm back with another video. So you want to live in the Northeast, huh? On days like this, I don't think it's worth it. Look at that snow. I've been shoveling for days out here. Look at the snow. Over a foot and change. It's like a whiteout out here. It's a whiteout. Look at the snow. Look at the snow. All this snow I've been shoveling all morning. Just a quick short to let you know how real it is and how deep the snow is. Look at this. Wanted a white Christmas? Well, I guess you guys got it. Now deal with it. Peace.